Hello and welcome. My name is Neil and I will be guiding you through this short video on how to use Attend Anywhere to attend your appointments online. Attend Anywhere is a simple way of keeping an appointment with your healthcare professional online from your home, workplace, or any private location where you can use your computer, tablet, or phone. Attend Anywhere is designed to be easy to use. You won't need to sign up or register, and there are no passwords to remember. And because it is web-based, you will not need to install any software on your device, or do anything other than making sure you have a supported web browser. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought a lot of changes to everyone's lives. Among other things, we have been asked to socially distance, to avoid meeting in an enclosed space, and to clean and disinfect frequently. This has meant that face-to-face appointments are often avoided or take much longer. And until recently, there have been very few alternatives. By using an online video conferencing service designed especially for virtual clinics, many of these problems can be avoided altogether, reducing delays, decreasing risks, and improving the quality of appointments. The process of attending an appointment is straightforward. You will be provided with a link to the Attend Anywhere webpage, which you follow. You then click on the Start Video Call button and follow the instructions that lets your healthcare provider know you have arrived. Once that is done, simply wait in the virtual waiting room for your healthcare professional to join you. As long as you have access to a computer, smartphone, or tablet that has a supported web browser, you should be able to use Attend Anywhere. You can use a Windows 10 desktop or laptop computer or tablet. You can use an Apple desktop or laptop computer or an Apple iPhone or iPad. You can use an Android smartphone or tablet, or you can use a Google Chromebook. Whatever device you use, it will need to have a microphone and a camera, and you will need loudspeakers or headphones. You should find that all modern laptop computers, smartphones and tablets have microphones, webcams and loudspeakers built in. However, if using a desktop computer, you will need to make sure that these items are available and they are working. And, of course, you will need a reliable internet connection, whether that is via your home router, a wireless network or Wi-Fi connection, or a mobile data connection. Please be aware that if you are using a mobile data connection, using Attend Anywhere will consume some of your data allowance, which may mean that you have to pay charges depending on your mobile contract. Therefore, we recommend that you use a Wi-Fi connection rather than mobile data if you can. There are 3 web browsers that are supported, one of which is almost certainly already installed on your device. The browsers are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Apple Safari. Google Chrome comes installed as standard on almost all Android smartphones and tablets, as well as Google Chromebooks. It is available for Apple computers and Windows 10 devices. Just search for Google Chrome Download online, or go to the link shown on screen. It is also available for iPhones and iPads. You will be able to download and install it from your App Store. Microsoft Edge is the new browser from Microsoft. You can use Edge to access Attend Anywhere from any up-to-date Windows 10 device. Apple Safari is installed as standard on all Apple devices, computers, iPhones and iPads. As long as you are using one of these web browsers as recommended, you should be able to use Attend Anywhere. Wherever you decide to attend your appointment, please make sure you have the privacy you need. Whether at home or at work, you will want to find a room where you can close the door and not be disturbed. Make sure it is quiet. You and your healthcare professional need to be able to clearly hear and understand each other, so please try and avoid radios and televisions and noisy machinery. Please try not to sit with the light behind you. Have the light in front of you if you can. It helps if you rest your device on a stable surface. If you can, prop up your phone or tablet in front of you. This will have the added benefit of leaving your hands free. And finally, please make sure you are comfortable. You will be sent an appointment notification by your team. This will usually be via email, although if you have let them know that email is not suitable, they will be able to post the information to you. They will let you know the date and time of your appointment and provide you with a leaflet that contains the information you need to attend your appointment. This leaflet includes the link you will need to enter to attend your appointment, as well as a brief guide to starting the video call and a link to a web page with help on troubleshooting any problems you may encounter. When you are ready to attend your appointment, or if you would like to test your connection and make sure everything is working before your appointment, you will need to follow this link. Depending on how you received your appointment information, you may be able to click on the link and open the web page, or you may need to enter the link into your web browser like so. However you open the link, the first screen you should see is this one. Here you can click on Test Call to run a test to make sure everything is working, and we recommend you do this sometime before your appointment, or you can click on Start Video Call to start your appointment. Whichever button you click, a test will be run, but if you choose Test Call, once the test is complete, you will return to this screen and not go on to start the appointment. First, an automatic bandwidth test will be done. This will only take a few seconds and will let you know if your connection is good enough for a video call. If your connection speed is OK, press Continue. If your device fails this test, there are a few things that you may be able to do to improve your connection, such as switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi or moving closer to your Wi-Fi router. Next, there's a speaker test. A sound will be played. Simply click the Yes button if you can hear it and the No button if you can't. If you press the No button at this point, or during any part of the test, you will be taken to a web page with some troubleshooting tips. Now your microphone will be tested. Press and hold the button labelled Hold and Speak and say anything you like. Click on Yes if you can hear yourself or a noise, and No if you can't. Finally, your camera will be tested. This is also a good time to make sure your camera is in the right position before the appointment begins. Click on Yes if everything is working, and No if it isn't. This completes the testing. If you click the Test Call button to start the testing, you can now click on the cross to be returned to the first screen. If you clicked the Start Video Call button to begin your appointment, you will see this screen. Please enter the required information, read the terms of service and privacy policy if necessary, and, if you are happy to, tick the box to say you accept the terms. Then click Continue when you are ready. Please be aware that your information is not kept once your appointment has ended. The final screen before you enter the virtual waiting room gives you some information about your appointment. Please read and click on Start Call when ready. You will now be taken to the virtual waiting room. Your healthcare professional will join you here shortly. Once you are joined by your healthcare professional, your Attend Anywhere appointment has started. If you have any problems with your connection during the appointment, press the refresh button at the top right of the screen. This will attempt to improve your connection. When your appointment is over, press the End button. When you click the End button, you will then be asked if you want to return to the call or to confirm you wish to leave the call. Clicking Leave the Call will end the session, and your appointment will be over. At this point, you can close your browser, or if you did not intend to leave the call, you can click on Reconnect Video Call to return to your appointment. If you experience any problems that stop you attending your appointment, such as a poor connection or equipment failure, you should first check the troubleshooting guide and see if it has any suggestions that help. You can access the guide using the link shown towards the end of page 2 of the supplied leaflet, or you will be taken there automatically if you click any No button during the testing process. If the troubleshooting guide does not help, please contact your team as soon as you are able to let them know. That concludes this video on using Attend Anywhere. I hope you have found it useful, and thank you for watching.